If you have been struggling to make your video look clean, cinematic, and professional inside CapCut, then this video is for you. Today, I will show you how to color grade your videos step by step, even if you are a completely beginner or you have been on content creation for years. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is your first day seeing my face. You are highly welcome. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you very much. My name is Confidence. So in this channel, I teach everything about content creation, video editing, and tips on how to monetize your YouTube channel. So this is the kind of video you like to watch. Do well to like, share, subscribe, and lastly, give me a thumbs up. So in today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process on how to color grade your video to achieve that realistic, cinematic video, which make video professional, even if you're a completely beginner or you have been on content creation for years. Because I've come to realize that so many people are creating content and they're giving out their best, but after their video will still look low quality simply because they don't know how to color grade their videos. One mistake many content creators make is recording video and uploading it without color grading it. The video may be good, but the color will make it look lifeless. Color grading is what gives your video that beautiful cinematic effect. Okay? It gives your video professional look. The good thing about this color grading is that you don't need an expensive camera. You don't need expensive gadgets. The only thing you need is to editing software. I'm using CapCut as an example. Make sure you get CapCut installed in your phone, then everything you need will be achieved there. So this is the kind of video you like to watch. Let us dive in. First, let's open CapCut. So click on this new video and import your first video and import your video. Then click on add. You click on add. You take it to your timeline. So the first I'm going to do is to choose the aspect ratio and then resize the video. After that, you now look for adjust, okay? Click on adjust. Then you're going to see color match and color correction. We're working with color correction. You're going to see settings like brightness, contrast, saturation, brilliance, sharpen, clarity, HSL, graphs, color wheel, highlight, shadows, white, bricks, temperature. Don't worry if these names sound confusing. I will explain each one in simple English. So the first one here is brightness. Brightness controls how light or dark your video looks. If your video is too dark, increase a little. You increase it a little. But if your video look more professional, if your video is too bright, then you move backward and reduce it. Do you see it? So that is the work of it. So I'm going to increase it later. Okay. The next one is contrast. The next one is contrast. Contrast separates the bright areas from the dark areas. Increasing it a little makes your video look more professional, but don't overdo it. So contrast, let me take it a little. I leave it on 12. I'll move to saturation. Saturation controls how colorful your video is. If you increase it too much, your video will look fake. So it will be a small increase. I will take it to 9. So next is brilliance. Brilliance is what gives your video a colorful. So let me take it a little. The next one is sharpens. See, it brightens your video. So I'll just take it a little. Then let's look at clarity. I'll take it a little. Look at HSL. So any color they are working with here, if you just click on it, it will give you that color. I don't need any color here. Move to highlight, take it small. Move to shadows, take it small. move to white, take it small. This is how our video is coming out colorfully. Move to black. I take it backward small. Then temperature fed, vinaigrette. I only go on green. I'll take this one later. I'll take it later. Okay. You still have more options there. You can go ahead and add more if you wish, or you can jump some the way I jump it, because I am satisfied with the color I have at hand. So the best thing is just to practice it on your own and know the one that you'll be applying anytime you're working on your videos. After everything, you click on this export button, export it to your gallery, then your video is ready to be uploaded in any platform of your choice. The next thing I'm going to do now is to click on this my export button that is up here. Once I tap on it, it will now export my gallery. Okay, you see that it's exporting. I will wait until it is 100%. Did you see it? It's exporting. So I'll continue to wait until it is 100%. Do not touch the screen. Do not do any other thing. Anytime you're exporting your video, do not do anything with your either phone. Just be patient and allow it to reach 100%. So it's done exporting. You can either share it to any platform of your choice, or you click on this done here. It will now enter into save into your gallery. Okay, from your gallery you can now export it to any platform of your choice. So that is it. If you have learned something from what you just watched, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and lastly give me a thumbs up. Bye bye. Bye bye, and see you in my next video. Okay.